No, being the Maverick, I cannot hide away from such a topical issue. This thing with American sprinter Sha'Carri Richardson and her now public relationship with a Jamaican athlete. Not getting into the details, but I think all of this is an excuse for the derailment of what seemed a very promising career. I mean, Sha'Carri is not the only athlete or the only person in the world with relationship and other personal issues. We all have sad stories to tell. The fact of the matter is that most people get on with their lives and do what we have to do instead of plastering our personal business all over social media and use it as an excuse to become dysfunctional. To become a champion of the world in anything, you got to be able to confront and overcome your challenges instead of hiding behind those challenges. With the passing of each dramatic chapter of this enigmatic young lady's life, it is now becoming clear that this girl has some talent, but it is obvious that her challenges are currently overpowering that talent in the evolution of yet another teary-eyed story of what could have been.